you my date?
Hi, Barbie. I'm Sam. It's so nice to meet you in real life.
Yeah, I was looking forward to our date so much. So do you want to shoot some hoops?
Nah, sorry. That's not my kind of sport.
How about some table tennis then?
Seriously? Do you actually see the table anywhere?
Oops. Right.
Any other thoughts?
How about skateboarding?
I didn't take mine with me.
Okay, let's just have lunch. I'm starving.
Now you're talking, girlfriend. Follow me.
So, where are we going? I'd love a vanilla donut.
For real? Then I perfectly know where we should go. Here, this is the best donut place in the world.
Hate to tell you this, but it seems to be closed.
Oh no, it's such a shame. Okay, let's go to the next best place to eat then. I know just the guy. Roger, you have to save my date. My date, Barbie, is almost here already, and she's hungry, and I promised to feed her.
Sammy? Where did you run off so fast? Did you change your mind or something? Oh, there you are. I thought you said something about tasty food.
Yeah. Just have a seat, relax, and I'll take care of everything. I promise it is worth waiting.
Hi, friends! Are you willing to help our Sammy today? Then let's get started. First, we need something to cook on. And I have one idea that I'm sure will impress you. So grab your clay and follow my lead. Step 1, let's make a clay ball flat. Step 2 is to give it a perfect shape. To me, a cooker should look like this, more or less. Now let's deal with the details. Some of them will be really tiny. I'm going to use my tweezers to put these guys together. There we go. Nice and neat. As you might have already guessed, this is a couple of burners. So, we'll place them like this.
Are you done with your part of the craft yet? See? I brought you something.
Awesome! Thanks, Sammy! Well, what do you say, friends? Doesn't it look real and kind of cute? I like it! Okay, Chef Samuel, here you go!
Nice job, but what am I going to cook in?
Don't be ahead of yourself. Everything is thought through. I will make you a nice pink frying pan in no time. Here goes a tiny bit of pressure. Great! Now, let's make a handle. That's going to be really easy. Feel no fear. The pan is almost here. There we go. See? I told you it's easy to make. You shouldn't have panicked, Sam.
What are you talking about? I'm still panicking. I just checked the fridge and there was nothing in there. Sorry for the delay. Here are the plates. I will be back in no time. My sous chef has already started. I know what to cook, Raj, and we'll need eggs.
Strange choice of color. But all right. I'm sure we'll make it work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't get it. I told you we need eggs. Where are they?
In a minute, Sammy. I'm already on it. Here we go. Now watch this. That was cool, wasn't it? Haha. We won't be able to take the fried egg out of the pan without a spatula, right? Here's one more piece of it. Is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1. Connection's done. Sorry, I just want to make sure that everything holds on tight. There we go. Let me see. Yes, our sunny side up egg is ready to be served.
Wow! How did you know it's my favorite type of breakfast?
Bon appetit!
And what's the next course?
How do you mean? Are you still hungry?
Well, I need to eat well to stay strong.
Aha! You're right. Roger, we've got a new mission. More food.
I hear you loud and clear, Sammy, and I already have an idea. let's cook a nice and healthy stew in this very cool saucepan. What do you say? Do you like this color, friends? I know I do. We'll put it on our stove for now and deal with the rest. Every good saucepan should have a cover. I want to make it yellow. Here we go. Oh, it's all so tiny. According to the recipe, we need to add carrots to our stew. And just like that, the carrot's done. Now, let's make a tiny knife so that we can cut the carrots. Give me just a second to put everything together. Carefully. Slowly. There we go. What do you say, friends? Am I great at this or what? It's pretty easy to make the cutting board from clay. I know you can do it. Now, let's chop that carrot. Here we go. Let me take the knife. And now, check this out. Look at these perfect even carrot pieces that I've managed to make. Let's add them to our stew. And so that we could serve our stew properly, we need a ladle. I'll show you how to make it right now. I will just press it a little from one end, like this. And there we go. Let's see if it fits. Huh, it does. Our stew smells really nice, by the way.
Well, Roger, is it ready? We have to speed up. Barbie over there is so hungry that she said she could eat a slime.
Stew's coming right up. Here you go, Barbie. I'm gonna serve you a full plate.
Oh, it does smell really good. I can't wait to try it.
So, how do you like it?
It's amazing. I want to eat here every day.
See? I told you I knew a guy who knows cooking. Thank you, Roger.
No problem, Sammy. I like to cook for my friends. But where are you going?
I think she ate too much. We'll go for a walk now. And you can check out our crafts once again.
I had a lot of fun today, friends. I hope you did too. See you in our next episode. And please, subscribe.